In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome slow download speed on Windows 11. If your downloads feel unusually slow in Chrome, we're going to try 3 proven fixes: enabling parallel downloading, making sure Chrome is fully updated, and clearing old browsing data that can slow things down. Before we begin, save anything you're working on, because Chrome will relaunch during this process. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the address bar at the top. Type Chrome/flags and press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page, which includes tools Google is testing. In the search box on that page, type parallel downloading. When it appears in the list, change it from default to enabled. Parallel downloading breaks a file into smaller parts and fetches them at the same time, which can significantly improve speed on many connections. After you enable it, click the relaunch button that appears so Chrome restarts and applies the change. Don't worry, your open tabs will come back. Next, let's make sure you're on the latest version of Chrome, since updates often include performance improvements. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then choose Settings. On the left side, select About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and begin downloading if one is available. If you see an option to update, let it finish and then relaunch the browser when prompted. Keeping Chrome current helps avoid known bugs that can slow downloads. Finally, we'll tidy up old data that may be clogging things. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. In the Basic tab, choose a time range. If you haven't done this in a while, last 7 days or last 4 weeks is a reasonable start. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, as that's most likely to affect speed. You can also include cookies and other site data if you're comfortable signing back into websites afterward. Just note that this may log you out of some sites. When you're ready, click Clear Data. This removes stale cache entries and temporary files that can interfere with downloads. Once you've done these steps, try downloading a file again to compare the speed. You should see an improvement from parallel downloading, the updated browser engine, and a refreshed cache. If your speeds are still low, remember that the source server or your network connection can also be the limiting factor, but with these changes, Chrome itself is set up for the best performance on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to fast, reliable downloads.